Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Instagram story link to YouTube channel. We start by opening the YouTube app and go to the video that we want to share. Next, we click on its 3 points, choose the share option, and finally select copy link. Now let's go to Instagram and create a new story. You can customize the story however you want, but in this case we are going to use the draw tool to select a color and hold down to paint the entire screen. After that, we are going to go to the top sticker icon and look for the link option to click on it. Here you can paste the link copied from YouTube and apply the changes. Now we will see the icon of the added link, and by clicking on it we can change its appearance. After this, we can customize the story however we want to attract attention. We can add text with emoticons, add music, or a GIF to make the story more attractive. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once you finish designing it, you can publish the story. Users who view it can click on the link and choose Visit Link to take them to view the shared video. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.